Good medical morning. Today we have a special video about Norovirus. But to mix things up, we're going to show some cruise ships in bad weather, some failed ship launches, and general maritime chaos. Of course, Norovirus is often in the news because it seemingly spreads easily on cruise ships. So stick around and we'll show you how to avoid it. Norovirus is a very contagious virus that causes vomiting and diarrhea. Anyone can get infected and sick with norovirus, and you can get it from having direct contact with an infected person, consuming contaminated food or water, touching contaminated surfaces, then putting your unwashed hands in your mouth or on mucous membranes.
Look at it.
Nice.
Oh, wait for it.
I personally think that the cramped confines of a cruise ship make contamination inevitable. Combine that with a lot of food and not enough hand washing, and cruise ships are like a floating porta potty. So if you want to avoid norovirus on your cruise, make sure to wash your hands before you touch your mouth or your food. Speaking of cruises, Adam, Jennifer, Kelly, and I are going on a cruise in November. Not to investigate norovirus, but to unwind a little. So we'll all be taking Thynergy with us to look our best at the pool. Anyone else a cruise fan? When and where was your last cruise? Did you take precautions for norovirus? Leave a comment below and we'll try to reply.
This is the worst place to be in Phenomenal.
Also, hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. You don't want to miss any of our medical videos. And if anything interesting happens on the cruise, we'll try to post that as well. See you next time.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thynergy. Thynergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and the form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thynergy, and I think it'll work for you.